So mommy, today a Friday, you know man. I'm hungry. And as soon 3 o'clock, you know mommy, so you know start cook it, mommy. Me hungry, you know? Why? Me know say you hand left up under me, you know. So you can more than cook for yourself. Today I'm a Sabbath. And me not cook nothing. So mommy, what you have behave so far? Me just ask a little food, you know mommy. So you don't know some me not feel well. You can't just look after sin for me. I want you. Excuse you, young man. How you bright yourself with? You want to come chop in your face, you can't have me look after me and your girl. How do you? I look after some for you. I'll make sure me get some. You hear me? And that me I tell you. Mommy, you don't say no again no food for me go cook. And that me I tell you no. Remember me tell you no, mommy. Every day you want man cook and you can't cook one day. How you have so? Why? Me a big woman. What you ask for that for? Am I a business? You can't learn how to cook. Yeah, me know you know how to cook. You have to learn to cook for your mother and yourself. So don't give me no excuse, but you can't cook. Boy, me say go and go cook and tap your argument. Me don't talk.